Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the viral mirror aids reflections AI photo, the ultra realistic shot where your young and old self appear face to face, separated only by a little gaps. And the best part, you can do this instantly using Nano Banana. So let's get started. First, just open your Gemini. You can open it through the browser or to the app like this, and then make sure you are logged in using your Google account. And after you log in on the home page like this, just tap on the create image or just tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This way is to activate the Nano Banana, the feature that lets you edit any photo instantly using just prompts. And then next, just upload the photo that you want to use or that you want to edit. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo like this. And then once uploaded, just let's type a magic prompt. Before, I have already prepared one prompt like this. You can just copy this prompt exactly, like just screenshot it and then using Google Lens, just copy it and then paste it to your prompt box. You can just screenshot this prompt like this, but feel free if you want to change the details of this prompt. You can, like, maybe you can change the tone, sliding, and anything that you like. Next, just copy this prompt and then go back to Gemini, paste it, and then generate. And okay, like this, in just a few moments, you will see your image appear with a surreal like this. And honestly, it looks so incredible and realistic. And okay, that's it. That's how you can make the mirror aids reflections using Nano Banana. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.